A house looking to the Persian Gulf by Kooshk office in Qeshm, Iran. Gacho village is slowly on the verge of expansion, and due to the interest of non-native citizens to settle in Qeshm Island, Gacho will eventually be on the verge of uneven expansion. The incident that hit the coasts in the country's north is now creeping up in Qeshm. The presence and influx of capital to the region are creating unbalanced development. The result of this can be felt in the occurrence of colorful incongruous architectures in Qeshm and Hormuz. Interestingly, even a correct definition of the architecture of the region is not presented in the traditional constructions and practice. It will witness the presence of UFOs from other climates, like the whole of Qeshm. Gacho lacks gas, and there is a lot of wear and tear on the electricity network, so energy has been one of the main concerns of the design team. Gacho is practically a family village, and all residents are connected to each other. It was very important for designers that the presence of new architecture does not cause visual disturbances. The project was handed over to the design team with the condition that there was a small dilapidated building of about 40 square meters. Considering the location of the project site on the beautiful and ancient island of Qeshm, which has a background of traditional southern architecture, the following principles were initially considered by the designers before starting the design. Providing a suitable model for expanding the rural context and future constructions in the village, due to the project site's location at the village's main entrance. Emphasizing the use of local patterns and techniques to reduce the energy consumption of the building in the middle seasons. Passive house. Avoiding any heterogeneous presence in the context of the design, respecting the visual comfort of the local residents, and using simple references to the village's traditional architecture. Applying salvaged or recycled materials into the project to reduce the project's embodied carbon entails using materials like dried palm leaves or old wooden parts of local sailing retired boats.